boys and girls. Today we're looking at missing addends. So the worksheet you have looks like this. It's got the fact triangles on, and it has the number in the top and one on the bottom, but it's missing a number, okay? We're still working with fact families, and remember, fact families is a collection of 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems that use the same 3 numbers, okay? Sometimes a number might be missing, like in today's worksheet, okay? What does missing numbers in fact families help us learn? Well, it helps us learn the relations of addition and subtraction problems, how they all work together, and then that helps us when we are memorizing our addition and subtraction problems. When we memorize those problems, we can tell you the answer much faster, okay? And that's why you're working on those math timing worksheets as well. So on our worksheet today, there's a missing addend, and most fact families have the biggest number up in the top, like we have on this worksheet. Our biggest number is up on the top, and sometimes that big number is called a total. Why do you think that's called a total at the top? Well, friends, that's called a total because it's the biggest number, and it is, if you take the bottom 2 numbers and add them together, that's what it adds up to, is that total, okay? Now, the first problem on your worksheet today has 12 at the top, and it has a 7 on the bottom. A 7 is called an addend. The 2 numbers on the bottom are parts of the total, or addends. They are the 2 parts that add up to the total, okay? So I have already put my 7 here, and I put my total 12 behind the equal signs in this addition sentence because I know that the biggest number goes behind the equal signs in addition. And I have already put 12, the total, at the beginning in this subtraction sentence because in subtraction, the highest number is always first. And I have added one of my addends or parts right here, the 7. So friends, now I can try to figure out the rest of the problem. Let's find this missing number. It's a mystery, so let's find this missing number. So I can do this a couple ways. I can count on, I can grab 7 and count on, and when I get to 12, I can see how many fingers I have up, and that would be the missing number. Or I could count back from 12, put my fingers up, and find out when I have 7 fingers up, what number do I land on. So I'm going to start with my addition problem, and I'm going to grab 7 and I'm going to count on, okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers do I have up when I got to 12, boys and girls? 5 fingers. I have 5 fingers. So I think that this missing addend could be 5, but I'm going to check it now with subtraction. Okay, I can check my addition problem with subtraction. I'm going to grab 12 and I'm going to count back 7, okay? So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, look, I have 7 fingers up, and what number did I end with? 5. I ended with 5. So friends, I've done an addition problem and I found 5, and I've done the subtraction problem and I found 5 again. So I'm going to say my missing addend, or my missing number, is 5, okay? Now, let's check this. Let's reverse it and put the 5 in the beginning of my next addition problem. And I'll put 7 right here. 5 plus 7, okay? I'm going to count on again because I don't have 12 fingers. So I'm going to grab the numbers and count on. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 7 fingers up. I ended up on 12. That is true. So 7 plus 5 is 12, and 5 plus 7 is 12. We've got the first subtraction problem. 12 take away 7 equaled 5. So now let's see if 12 take away 5 equals 7. All right, so I'm going to put my 12 at the beginning because in our subtraction problems, the biggest number goes in the beginning. I'm going to reverse it, and I'm going to put 5 right here, and let's check that out. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. I have 5 fingers up and I ended at 7. 12, take away 5 is 7. 12, take away 5 is 7. So that's how we find missing addends or the missing part of our fact family. Okay, boys and girls, so you go ahead and do the rest of the problems on that page. Take a picture of it and send it to me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.